Welcome to the adventure stay. I want you to come on in and I want to tell you how I haven't paid a mortgage in a year and why. Basically, you're in it. This is my cash cow. I created this unit from basically just a mildly finished basement. There was absolutely nothing down here except carpet, walls, and a bathroom. That's essentially it. And I decided that I wanted to get some income cash flow, and I basically built in this mini kitchen, little kitchenette here. It'll do the job. Maybe not a turkey dinner, but it'll do the job. Got our bathroom here. Down the hallway here is the bedroom. We're able to fit a king-size bed in here so couples can have a nice luxurious stay. This room right here is sort of a catch-all. It's the living room, the dining room, and the second bedroom. So this is a pull-out couch, queen size for an extra couple. Anyway, this is it. And I had a long-term tenant in here for about 2 years until Connor was the one who said, try and Airbnb it. Of course, I was terrified because I was making a solid $800 a month. And 1 year ago, actually this past weekend, I went from making $800 a month to $3,500 a month. Let us show you how to do the same with a space in your house.
So I heard Carla already showed you around a little bit, but let me talk to you about what makes a great short-term rental space. Now, you have to work with what you have. So here we have a basement, right? Well, how do we make it feel not like a basement? So we start off with this window well. They're ugly, they're disgusting, they're gross, they have spiders, you know the drill. So we put some white river rock down. So we have the fake succulents. We have some of these hanging, sort of floating succulents, along with just this table in here to sort of add some dimension. We also changed out all of the lights in here to brighter LED natural lighting. That way it makes it really bright down here, you know, really welcoming, not so dark and dingy like you would think a basement would be. The other thing that we did is we added some pops of color. We added this sort of aqua kind of color here, and we added these accent colors in here to sort of coordinate with that. Again, it's just working with the space that you have and make the best out of it.
And get you earning.
Stop pointing. Stop pointing.
Earning money. That's what we do.
Oh wait, I have a bunch of money in my car. Should we throw it up into the air?
That wasn't as
very
much as I thought.
We hope you enjoyed the adventure stay, and we hope to see you at this property and at all of our properties.
That was better. Yeah.
I'm Connor Ashley.
And I'm Carla Chass.
We're the mother-son real estate and design duo.
We are here to help you invest in properties.
Now you can make a lot of money doing this.
We're your people.